Hello guys, on today's video tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make Zobo drink. Zobo drink is made from hibiscus flower. It is called Zobo in Nigeria, but I don't know what it's called in other parts of the world, but this is made from hibiscus flower. So if you're going to be taking this, if it's going to be for personal consumption or commercial purpose, you're welcome to this channel. You are at the right place. But before we begin, hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Let's get straight to making this. We're gonna be needing pineapple. Yeah, this pineapple is very important and essential in this. You can also skip the pineapple if you do not have it. Please ensure you wash this thoroughly. Wash it so well, because we're going to be making use of the skin. We don't waste anything here. Everything is going to be made use of. Now I want to be telling you some very important things about Zobo drink. Zobo drink helps to reduce blood pressure. It also helps to improve heart health. Zobo drink aids digestion and boosts liver health. You see, so we're not just making this drink because we just want to make this drink. We're making it because this is a very healthy drink to consume. Yes, a very healthy drink to consume. And we'll be making this without sugar. We don't need lots of sugar, those refined sugar. We'll be making this without it. This is what we call fruity Zobo because it is packed with lots of fruits, and fruits are very good and rich in vitamins and some minerals. They're very good antioxidants. Zobo drink is also a very good source of antioxidants and also may help with weight management. So if you're struggling in terms of your weight, you may consider making this. Now we pour in our washed Zobo leaf, our washed hibiscus leaf into the pot. Add your sliced oranges and your pineapple peels. Add in some cloves, and then we pour in a good amount of water into this and allow to boil. Next, we'll be going in with our pineapple proper. We're blending the pineapple with some dates. Remember I told you that we're not going to be using sugar for this. And please ensure you wash your Zobo leaf thoroughly. Wash it very well because it has a lot of sand. Don't bother about, I'm going to wash off all the color. You can never wash off all the color. Just wash it well. At this point, we're sieving our pineapple and dates that was blended. We're going to sieve this, and mind you, I told you that nothing is wasted when I'm making any kind of food. The shaft that comes out of this very juice, I'm still going to pour it into this Zobo. I poured it here without showing you people, and I boiled it. At this point, I've boiled this to my taste and I'm okay with this. We're going to be sieving this Zobo here. Use, if you have a cheesecloth, if you have a sieve, whatever you know you can use to sieve this finely, to go ahead and do that. I'm going to be sieving this with my chiffon cloth. Yeah, and you can tell from the look of this that this is going to be rich. This is power packed. Yes, and you see it's not too light. But it all depends on you. If you're doing this for commercial purpose, you might decide to make it light depending on what you want. But for me, either for commercial purpose or personal consumption, I make the same quality. We've added our dates and pineapple juice into this, which is going to serve as a sweetener, and it's also going to help to improve the flavor of this. And we're going to be bottling this at this point. Yes, I'm happy because I've almost gotten to that point where I'm going to chill this and relax with the bottle. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to let me know where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out on my next video. And please endeavor to leave a thumbs up, yes, share this video, leave nice comments, and also try out this recipe and let me know how it came out. I'll be expecting your comments, yes, or your reviews on my comment section, and I'm going to answer every questions you have concerning this. Until my next video, stay safe and be good. Bye.